My name is Biri Dumaliang. I am the program director of Logged In ASEAN. I think we really organized Logged In because we saw and we were very disturbed about a fact, and that is that no one's really talking about this big thing called the ASEAN integration that's going to impact us, most especially the young people, and our future. We had to do something about it that was close to our hearts as well, doing something very innovative, something that leverages our love for social media and creating things, and of course bringing people together to create an impact across multiple fields and multiple markets.
Hi, I'm Siege Tantenko. I'm from the team Hungry People of Quezon City. The title of our article is We Deserve Better Than Boracay, New Travel Rules for the ASEAN Integration. There are problems surrounding Boracay with regards to the heritage isn't conserved at all and the indigenous people are shunted off to the side. So we wanted to talk about how that's going to be an even bigger problem for us with the ASEAN integration and how it will affect not just, people on that island, but the Philippines.
I'm Jello Avendaño. I'm a Logged-In buddy. I'm supposed to mentor teams of thought leaders and coming up with the content that aims to promote awareness about the ASEAN integration.
Hi, I'm Julian Joven. Today, I am working as a mentor or a Logged-In buddy for Logged-In ASEAN.
Now, each one of us is empowered to create our own content and to create our own following and to influence other people with our own thoughts, our opinions that may just change the views of the world.
Bloggers really have a very important role to play because they get to address issues, but at the same time, they do it in a way that it feels more natural, more conversational to people. They really have the power in their hands to be able to, show people this is something that we need to talk about.
I'm Sheila Orosa from PhD. This experience is the first blogathon. It's a great experience and a great way of executing our skill as a journalist.
I think A-Space is really a good venue to hold events like these because with A-Space, it feels like a very creative area where you can collaborate with people who have a lot of these good, fresh ideas.
It was fun to work on a tight deadline and also, work with a team. It was kind of like a relay, but for writing. We had someone doing social media, someone writing, and then we relay it to our photographer who embeds the photos, relay it to the designer who lays it out on the WordPress site, and then publish, and then all of us share. So
The impact that we want for bloggers is to empower them. They're empowered to write about this topic that is usually very academic and quite boring. So we empower them with the information and with new insights in order to talk about this issue to their network.
Pag-aaway na sisimula.